Think you've seen it all? Think again. The true size of these iconic places, buildings and sculptures is beyond anything you've imagined. These giants of the world aren't just big, they're mind-blowingly massive. Get ready to have your perspective shattered. Let's go. Here's something you did not expect. The Titanic, once considered the largest ship in the world, is now dwarfed by modern cruise ships. In this picture comparison you see just how much larger these modern giants are. Petra, Jordan, an ancient marvel dating back to 300 BC. It may seem huge, but with a human on top for scale, it is much more clear how big it actually is. Pyramids are known to be huge, but when compared to a normal sized woman sitting next to these giant stones, we can see it much better. Jayapura, I hope I pronounced that right, is the world's largest bird sculpture, featuring a rock-themed park for adventure lovers. It pays tribute to Jatuya from the Ramayana, and the true size of this sculpture is actually mind-blowing. Sea turtles are much larger than they seem. When compared to a human, their true size is actually surprising. Where the red arrow points, you can see just how small Mercury is compared to the massive sun behind it. Now, Mercury is about 38% of the size of Earth in diameter. While it may look tiny compared to the Sun, it's still significantly smaller than Earth, about 2.6 times smaller. The Sagrada Familia, an unfinished masterpiece in Barcelona, Spain. Still under construction, it stands as the largest unfinished Catholic church in the world. The heart of a blue whale is massive, about 5 feet long, 4 feet wide and 5 feet tall, weighing around 400 pounds. It's truly a marvel of nature scale. Here, two people sit atop the Makkah Clock Royal Tower in Mecca, the tallest clock tower in the world, standing at a staggering 1,970 feet tall. Its sheer size is truly impressive, towering over the city below. Here's the true size of Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, seen from his outstretched arms. Standing at 98 feet tall, with a 92-foot arm span, this iconic statue is a breathtaking sight from any angle. This marble quarry is immense, making this excavator look like a tiny miniature in comparison to the vast scale of this quarry. The Quetzalcoatlus, one of the largest pterosaurs to ever live, roamed the skies at the end of the Cretaceous period about 65 million years ago. Its massive wingspan and size makes it a true giant of prehistoric times. Europe's largest salt mine, the Slanik Praova salt mine in Romania, has been captivating and healing visitors since the mid-20th century. It stands as the biggest of its kind on the continent. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, stands at an incredible 182 meters, 597 feet. This towering monument dwarfs many others in both height and impact. Sequoia National Park in California is home to 5 of the world's 10 largest trees, including the iconic General Sherman, the largest tree on Earth by volume. Thank you for watching. If these size comparisons surprise you, make sure to like, share and leave a comment. Tell me which one surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible discoveries. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.